All right, well, you can see right here behind me, yeah, some rain off to our west, but that looks to remain off to our south and to our west as the jet stream is more coming down and going around, going through Illinois and down through Indiana. Will remain dry as we head on into the evening. So guess what? Clear skies on the way. Temperatures also will be on the milder side for us, as right now we're sitting at 64 degrees. Very sunny, and also seeing those numbers bounce back from earlier this week when we were only in the 40s for afternoon highs. Guess what? As we head on into the next few days, we'll see our numbers get closer to those 70s. And we'll also watch out for, yes, yet again, more of those sunny days. But here's a look at our current temperatures across the region. More of the middle 60s here for Marquette. Westward, lower 60s showing up in Houghton at 61, 62 in Ontonagon at 66. So quite warm there into Ironwood, and even warmer as you head into Florence and Menominee, both at 68 degrees. Now eastward, our numbers are sitting in the lower 60s at 61 in Munising and in Manistee. Now Escanaba a bit cooler with that wind coming off of Lake Michigan at 59 degrees there. 58 over into the Sioux, 61 in St. Ignace, and at 64 in Ishpeming. Our winds right now mostly out of the west and the southwest, 6 in Iron Mountain, 8 in Escanaba. Not terribly breezy out there, but we are seeing some wind. And looking at temperatures across the state, 62 into Iron Mountain, 59, sorry, into Escanaba. A bit, actually, it's a bit warm right there. That number's off right there. 63 over into Rogers City, 71 in Gaylord, and at 72 as you go down into Houghton Lake. Well, a look at our headlines as we head on into the evening. It shouldn't be too bad of an overnight for us. We are expecting those average numbers to be in place, and for tomorrow, it looks to be mostly sunny and warmer. So that upward trend with our temperatures, that will continue on into Thursday and even as we go on into Friday and Saturday. And feeling like spring as we get closer to the weekend, so get ready for more of those upper 60s, lower 70s with more sunshine on the way. And then maybe by next week, things do change just a bit, but that's a little far out right now and not really certain as of yet, but definitely not expecting any big pushes of cold air anywhere in the near future. But here's a look at our setup. Things really beginning to dry out as a lot of the weather is moving off to the south, going through the southeastern states, down into Tennessee, Alabama, and in Georgia. They are looking out for heavier showers and thunderstorms. For us, well, the Great Lakes will be quiet and dry and also quite warm. Your FUTURECAST model on into the evening, yeah, maybe a few clouds, but not really many as we go on into the night. More of that sun on the way for us as we head on into our Thursday afternoon. Tomorrow night looks to be very dry and also very clear. And on into Friday, well, guess what? More of the same on the way then, with Saturday looking to be even better for us with a mix of sun and clouds in the forecast, but definitely seeing more of that sun than actually seeing the clouds. But we'll go ahead and take a look at tonight. We'll see our numbers drop down into the lower 40s. Not quite as chilly for us. Winds are expected to be very, very light. Now on into our Thursday. Plenty of sunshine on the way for us with pleasant temperatures. Winds out of the southwest between 5 to 15 miles per hour. A look at your highs, 64 in Lawrence at 66 in Ontonagon. Upper 60s showing up in Crystal Falls and in Iron Mountain in Florence at 68 degrees. Lower 60s in store for us as we head into Escanaba and Manistee, and at 62 for a high in Munising. Marquette will be at 65, so in those middle 60s, pretty much close to where we were this afternoon, and we'll see lots of sunshine on the way for us. Friday, yeah, maybe a cloud or two more, but still expecting a nice day. High temperatures in those middle 60s and around 65 as we head on into the weekend, where it looks like as you go farther inland and away from those big bodies of water, well, most of us will be making our way into the 70s as we go into our start of our weekend. And even for Sunday, where it looks like temperatures will remain right around the same marks. Now, lows aren't going to be too bad for us. We'll see them anywhere between the low to mid 40s over the next few days, which is pretty much on par for this time of the year. So guess what? It looks like spring, it is not only back, but it's going to stick around for a while for us as we head over the next few days and on into the beginning of next work week.